Hey guys, Nick here, back with another quick iOS tip that could totally save your day. Is your iPhone stuck while upgrading or downgrading to iOS 26? Maybe it's frozen on the Apple logo, stuck on a white screen, or showing the Connect to Computer screen. If that's happening, recovery mode might be exactly what you need to fix it. Today I'm going to show you 2 ways to put your iPhone into recovery mode. The first method is manual. The second one is perfect if your buttons are broken, unresponsive, or you just don't want to deal with all the button combinations yourself. Alright, let's jump in. Method 1. Manually enter recovery mode. This method works for iPhone 8 and later models. First, connect your iPhone to your computer using a USB cable. Then open Finder, iTunes, or the Apple Devices app on your computer. Now quickly press and release the volume up button. Then quickly press and release the volume down button. After that, press and hold the side button. And here's the important part. Even when you see the Apple logo appear, do not let go. Keep holding the side button until you see the Connect to Computer recovery screen. Once that screen shows up, your iPhone has successfully entered recovery mode. At this point, your computer will detect the device and give you the option to either update or restore your iPhone. But if your iPhone buttons are damaged or not responding properly, manually entering recovery mode can be really frustrating. So let's move to the second method. Method 2. Enter recovery mode with ReiBoot. The iPhone I'm holding right now actually has button issues, so I can't reliably enter recovery mode manually. In situations like this, ReiBoot makes things way easier. First, download and install ReiBoot on your computer using the link in the description. Then connect your iPhone to the computer with a cable. Open ReiBoot and click the Enter Recovery Mode button. Wait a few seconds and your iPhone will automatically enter recovery mode without pressing any buttons at all. And if you ever want to exit recovery mode later, ReiBoot can also do that with one click. After entering recovery mode, you can also use ReiBoot's standard repair feature to fix common iOS system problems. For example, boot loops, frozen screens, crashing, white screen issues, black screen problems, or failed iOS updates. The best part is that standard repair usually fixes the system without erasing your data, which makes it a much safer option for most users. ReiBoot is a professional iOS repair tool trusted by millions of users worldwide. I've put the download link down in the description. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more iOS updates. I'm Nick, and I'll see you in the next one.